Hi, I'm Pete Owens with Clean Direct, home of SkyVac USA, and I want to introduce you to the Interceptor. It's our premium gutter cleaning system, and we're going to start at the back right here with the handle on this one-piece solid steel construction powder-coated cart. It has large wheels in the back. That's to carry the weight of the engine and the turbine, and it allows you to tip the unit for handling. It's powered by this Honda 4.5 horsepower engine, and it's linked to a turbine at the bottom here by a fan belt that ups the RPMs to spin the turbine at a much faster pace than the engine turns. Those RPMs are needed to create a suction that is transferred from the turbine here through this hose up to the collection drum. A vacuum builds in the drum, and the hose to your tools plugs into this port, creating a cyclonic flow inside to make the debris drop out before the air is sucked through a filter and into the turbine.